to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Back from the landfill. Only thing left now is taking the lights down, also the plumbing, my air compressor, take all the plumbing down, the piping. And I'll probably do the piping first. Removed all the piping from the compressor. Just lay that in here. I got this turned upside down, I had some water in it. Now we'll take the lights down. Update. Plumbing down, all the lights and wiring down. You might be wondering why I'm getting some light up in here. I'm actually getting some natural light. But I done started taking down the plywood on the roof here. What I'm doing, I'm taking this 4-pound sledgehammer, getting up in the attic on this ladder here, knocking it in from the inside, then I go on the outside and put it down. Following day, got all the plywood off the roof, both sides. All this going to the landfill, this here. I got some OSB over here that I'll probably save these sheets here. I just gotta cut this area here off because it's kinda got wet. So I'm gonna cut it off here, save those 2 sheets. Let's go on the inside. I'll show you some more what I did. Well, I'll show you what I'm about to do. I'm about to take these end walls down in the attic. Then once I take those down, I'll probably start taking down the rafters. Work my way on down. You can see we done got the plywood with the OSB down from the attic on the front and back. I can take them inside and show it to you. And we got everything loaded up here. Stuff we taking to the landfill. We have to make quite a few trips to the landfill, but we got this here loaded up. We'll head out there now. I'll probably cut y'all back on once we get out there, give you some more footage. There go Raw.
Y'all know what it is. Hey man, y'all come on over to Raw channel, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, man. Me and SprayWay channel is different. So we need subscribers from both channels. Hit them.
Y'all here. We're back from the landfill. I didn't cut you on once we had got there, but we gotta go back again because we got another load. can see. This all the stuff we're taking to the landfill. Over here, I plan on keeping it, taking the nails out, cutting it off even. But we got the roof down, all of it. We're gonna call it a day. Then tomorrow we'll take this interior wall out and take the doors off, and then we'll start doing the sides. As y'all can see, me and Raw got the swinging doors down, also the walk-through door. Now we're gonna start taking this OSB down off the sides. Should come down pretty easy.
Baby, in a house fire. When I got on my knees, that Dr. Prey, I asked God why they didn't come.
Here we go, we got all the OSB down off the walls, except this piece here. Can't really get to it because of the compressor, but I can take that off once I take the wall itself down. Probably about to call it a day, doing it a little at a time. But I might go ahead and do this, take this wall here down, just to see how it's gonna go. I'm thinking about just leaning it over. Once I get it down on the ground, take the sledgehammer, knock it apart.
Here we go.
Might need to get up there, hit it with the sledge. I got my foot on it. I'm gonna hit it with the sledge now.
Alright, cause it won't break apart. Yeah, it's holding up there.
I ain't gonna hit the old Impala over there.
No, it ain't gonna. I don't guess it's gonna hit. It ain't gonna hit down one of the policies.
Oh, you talking about
James and mine. Yeah, you hit it, I'll just drop.
Wait.
Nah, go ahead. Stepped on that thing.
Oh, this is really.
Oh, well, we forgot all about that. Hold on. You want me to push up on?
No, I'm not gonna lose him right here. I'm not gonna lose him right here.
All right. That was a good drop right there.
Perfect drop. All right, we got this wall here down. Also went ahead and took this front wall where the door's at. We'll do the rest in the morning. It's supposed to rain, so we'll cut y'all back on in the morning. It's been 2 days since I last cut y'all on. It's been raining, so I haven't been doing anything. You can see we got to pull the water back here. About to get back started. I don't have too much left, then I'll be done. Well, I finally finished taking down the shop. Let me walk around the yard, show you what I got. These 2x4s I plan on saving. But the OSB, I'll probably throw all this away since it got wet and sitting out here. It's more helpful trying to get these nails out than just buying some new OSB. But I plan on saving these 2x4s here and these 2x6s. I just gotta take the nails out and cut them off even. But all this over here, it's getting thrown away. For sure. Now let's go to the slab. No more shop. Most definitely got to go forward with the build now. But I don't know what I'm gonna do for us the next step, because this ground here, let me step back. This ground back here need to be built up for us, the rest of it. So I gotta dig some holes for the posts, the 6x6x20 posts. And the posts gonna be, first I gotta measure, make sure where the posts gonna be at. Then I gotta bust all this concrete up where the posts gonna be at. I'm trying not to bust the whole thing up because I know there's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm not sure. Y'all get in the comment section. Y'all concrete slab, concrete folks for us. Will it be okay if I know I gotta build this up, if I just put some gravels on top of this here, then pour my other slab on top of it? I'm not sure. But y'all let me know in the comment section. Trying not to work myself to death for us, busting all this up, hauling it away. But this is it. Y'all stay tuned for the next video.
We never stop.